Here's how to easily color match your image. First of all, I'm selecting my subject layer and going to select subject. Once the subject selected, I'm clicking on this add mask icon. Here you can see my image background successfully removed. Now you can press Ctrl T and you can just go ahead and resize your image just like this. Okay, once you're happy, now click on this icon and select curves and enable this option, and then double click on this curve thumbnail. Click on this icon, select auto options, select your fine dark and light colors. Now click on the shadow color, and from your background you have to select the most darkest color. So my background most darkest color is this one. Then click on OK and then click on highlights, and now from your background you have to select the most highlighted or brightened color and then click on OK. Now click on midtones, and from your background you can go ahead and select the midtones and click on OK. Now click on OK. Yes. And if you want to adjust your colors, you can just do it from here. Now click here and select color lookup. Click on this lot file, and from here you can go ahead and select any lot if you want. So in my case, I'm selecting here this option, and that's how you can actually match our image with background color.